So if you're having a business WhatsApp and other people are not able to see your last seen, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get rid of this problem. So you have to just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all you need to do is you have to click on these three vertical dots which are located in the top right corner and head to settings. By the way, the settings menu is same for business WhatsApp as well as for normal, so don't worry for it. Then you have to go to privacy, and in privacy here you will find last seen. So if it is checked to my contacts or if it is checked to nobody, you have to set it to everyone so that everyone can have access of your last seen and they will be able to see your last seen. And do also check who can see when I am online to everyone. And you can also change the privacy of your profile picture also to everyone. Anyways, so this is basically how you can fix business WhatsApp last seen problem. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.